spot the phrasal verbs we use. We'll list them all at the end of the episode.
Wait, you just slipped one in already, didn't you?
Maybe. Welcome to Fluency Unlocked, the podcast that helps you speak English naturally and confidently. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today, we're doing something super practical. 30 must-know phrasal verbs and how to use them naturally.
And stick around until the very end. We have a quick phrasal verb fill-in-the-blank quiz. It checks how well you really know them. Plus, one easy daily trick to make them stick.
Sarah, that hook already got me listening. I catch myself using phrasal verbs sometimes, but I never know if I'm using them right.
Exactly. Most learners study long lists. They memorize meanings, but they never hear them in real conversation. Today, we fix that. We're going to chat normally. We'll use all 30 phrasal verbs naturally. Then, we'll break every single one down.
Sounds fun. Let's start.
Okay, so last week I tried to pick up a new hobby.
Nice. What'd you pick up?
I decided to learn guitar, but I almost gave up after 2 days. My fingers hurt so much.
I get that. I tried to learn piano once. I looked up some tutorials online.
See, we already used 3. Pick up, give up, look up.
Oh, you're right.
But let's keep going like normal people first. Then we'll explain.
Cool. So, did you turn down any invitations while you practiced?
Actually, yes. My friends wanted to hang out. I had to turn them down a couple times.
I hate turning people down.
Same, but sometimes you have to. Anyway, I finally brought up the idea with my roommate.
What did she say?
She said she might run into some free time next month. She even came across an old guitar in her closet.
Lucky.
Yeah, I almost put off practicing again, but I told myself no. I took off my watch, sat down, and just played.
That's cool. My car broke down last month, so I had to call off a trip.
Oh no, did you figure out what was wrong?
Yeah, we get along well with the mechanic. He sorted it fast.
Good. I look forward to hearing your travel stories.
Thanks. I need to make up for the lost time now.
Totally. I'll help you set up a new plan.
Awesome. Just don't let me show up late again.
You take after your dad with that.
True. He always turns up early.
Okay, we just used a bunch more. Let's pause here and start explaining so everyone can follow.
Yes, please. I want to know them all.
All right, number 1, pick up. It has a few meanings. First, learn something new, like I picked up some Spanish on vacation. Second, collect someone. I'll pick you up at 8. Third, improve. Business is picking up.
3 meanings. Got it.
Number 2, give up. Stop trying. Don't give up on your English. Or quit a habit. I gave up sugar last month.
Easy one.
Number 3, look up. Search for information. Look up the word in a dictionary. Or visit. Look me up when you're in town.
Nice.
Number 4, turn down. Refuse an offer. I turned down the job. Or lower volume. Turn down the music.
I use that one a lot.
Number 5, bring up. Mention something. Don't bring up politics. Or raise a child. She brought up 3 kids alone.
2 clear uses.
Number 6, run into. Meet by chance. I ran into my old teacher yesterday.
I love that one.
Number 7, come across. Find unexpectedly. I came across an old photo. Or seem. She comes across as friendly.
Useful?
Number 8, put off. Delay. Stop putting off your homework.
Guilty.
Number 9, take off. Remove clothes. Take off your shoes. Or leave quickly. The plane takes off at 6. Or become successful. Her career took off.
3 again.
Number 10, break down. Stop working. My laptop broke down. Or start crying. She broke down in tears. Or explain in parts. Let me break it down for you.
Wow, lots of meanings.
Number 11, call off, cancel. They called off the meeting.
Simple but important.
Number 12. Figure out. Understand or solve. I can't figure out this grammar.
My favorite.
Number 13. Get along. Have a good relationship. We get along really well.
Positive one.
Number 14. Hang out. Spend time casually. Let's hang out this weekend.
Everyone says this.
Number 15. Look forward to. Feel excited about something in the future. I look forward to your next episode.
Warm and polite.
Number 16. Make up. Invent a story. He made up an excuse. Or reconcile. They made up after the fight. Or put on makeup. She made up her face.
3 again.
Number 17. Set up. Arrange or prepare. Let's set up a meeting. Or start a business. He set up his own company.
Very common in work talk.
Number 18. Show up. Arrive. Don't show up late. Or appear unexpectedly. He showed up at my door.
I hate when people show up without texting.
Number 19. Take after. Resemble a parent. You take after your mom.
Cute one.
Number 20. Turn up. Appear. He turned up late. Or increase volume. Turn up the radio.
Opposite of turn down.
Number 21. Work out. Exercise. I work out every morning. Or solve. It worked out in the end. Or happen. How did your plan work out?
Super useful.
Number 22. Carry on. Continue. Just carry on with your work.
British people say this a lot.
Number 23. Drop off. Deliver. I'll drop off the package. Or fall asleep. I dropped off on the couch.
2 meanings.
Number 24. End up. Finally be in a place or a situation. We ended up at a cafe.
I end up eating too much when I'm stressed.
Number 25. Fall apart. Break into pieces. My shoes are falling apart. Or lose control. She fell apart after the news.
Emotional one.
Number 26. Get over. Recover from something. I can't get over how good that movie was. Or move past. Get over it.
Helpful for feelings.
Number 27. Hold on. Wait. Hold on a second. Or grip tightly. Hold on to your dreams.
Classic.
Number 28. Keep up. Maintain speed or level. Keep up the good work. Or stay informed. I can't keep up with the news.
Motivational.
Number 29. Pass out. Faint. He passed out from the heat. Or distribute. Pass out the papers.
Careful with that one.
Number 30. Put up with. Tolerate. I can't put up with the noise anymore.
We all have something we put up with.
There they are, all 30. But hearing them once isn't enough. Let's use them again in a longer story so they really stick.
Yes. Tell me about your day yesterday, using as many as you can.
Okay, I woke up and picked up my phone. I almost gave up on my morning run because it was raining. But I looked up the weather and it said it would clear up. So I turned down the chance to stay in bed. I brought up the idea with my dog. He looked ready. We ran into our neighbor on the way. She came across as tired. She put off walking her dog. So I took off my headphones and chatted with her.
Keep going.
Then my headphones broke down. I had to call off my music. But I figured out a new route. We get along great with the neighbor now. We look forward to these chats. She even made up a funny story about her cat. We set up a coffee date. She showed up right on time. She takes after her mom with that. The cafe turned up busy, but it worked out fine. We carried on talking for an hour. I dropped off her at home. We ended up laughing a lot. Nothing fell apart. I got over my bad mood. Hold on to good friends, right? We keep up with each other now. No one passed out from laughing, and I can put up with rain if it means good talks.
That was smooth. I counted almost all of them.
Exactly. Now you try. Tell me about a recent weekend.
All right. Last weekend, I picked up some groceries. I almost gave up when the line was long. I looked up a recipe online. I turned down the TV so I could focus. I brought up the idea of cooking with my sister. We ran into some friends at the store. They came across as hungry. They put off their own dinner plans. We took off together to my place. The oven broke down halfway. We had to call off the fancy meal, but we figured out a simple pasta. We get along so well. We hung out until midnight. I look forward to more nights like that. We made up new inside jokes. I set up a group chat. Everyone showed up the next day. My sister takes after me with her cooking. The party turned up fun. It all worked out. We carried on laughing. I dropped off everyone ladle. We ended up with 0 leftovers. Nothing fell apart. I got over my fear of cooking for people. Hold on. Good friends make everything better. We keep up the tradition now. No one passed out. And I can put up with messy kitchens if it means fun nights.
Perfect. You nailed it.
I feel like they're starting to feel natural already.
That's the goal. Now, let's go through each one again slowly. We'll add collocations and common mistakes. Pick up. Collocations, pick up the phone, pick up a habit, pick up speed. Mistake, don't say learn up. It's pick up.
Give up. Collocations, give up smoking, give up hope. Mistake, don't say quit up.
Look up. Collocations, look up a word, look up to someone. Mistake, don't confuse with look for.
Turn down. Collocations, turn down an offer, turn down the music.
Bring up. Collocations, bring up a topic, bring up children.
Run into. Collocations, run into trouble, run into an old friend.
Come across. Collocations, come across as rude, come across something interesting.
Put off. Collocations, put off a decision, put someone off.
Take off. Collocations, take off your jacket, career took off.
Break down. Collocations, break down in tears, break down a problem.
Call off. Collocations, call off a wedding, call off a strike.
Figure out. Collocations, figure out a puzzle, figure out how to do something.
Get along. Collocations, get along with coworkers, get along well.
Hang out. Collocations, hang out with friends, hang out at the mall.
Look forward to. Collocations, look forward to meeting you, look forward to the weekend.
Make up. Collocations, make up a story, make up after an argument.
Set up. Collocations, set up a meeting, set up a business.
Show up. Collocations, show up on time, show up unexpectedly.
Take after. Collocations, take after your father, take after someone in looks.
Turn up. Collocations, turn up the heat, turn up late.
Work out. Collocations, work out at the gym, work out the details.
Carry on. Collocations, carry on working, carry on a conversation.
Drop off. Collocations, drop off the kids, drop off to sleep.
End up. Collocations, end up winning, end up in trouble.
Fall apart. Collocations, fall apart emotionally. Shoes fell apart.
Get over. Collocations, get over a breakup, get over a cold.
Hold on. Collocations, hold on tight, hold on a minute.
Keep up. Collocations, keep up with the news, keep up the pace.
Pass out. Collocations, pass out from heat, pass out flyers.
Put up with. Collocations, put up with noise, put up with bad behavior.
Now, here's the best part. Let's do quick mini dialogues so you can hear them in context again.
Ready.
Imagine you're late. Sorry I'm late. My alarm didn't go off.
No problem. I figured it out. Just don't make up excuses next time.
Hahaha. See how natural?
Another one. I ran into Sarah at the store.
Really? How did she come across?
She seemed happy. She just picked up a new job.
Perfect. One more. The meeting got called off.
Great. I was about to put off my lunch anyway.
You're getting it.
Listeners, try this at home. Pick any 3 phrasal verbs from the list. Make one sentence with each. Say them out loud.
Yes. Do it every day for a week. You'll start using them without thinking.
That's the secret. Not memorizing, using.
All right, time for the phrasal verb fill in the blank quiz.
Let's do it.
Question 1. I can't blank the noise anymore.
Write or say your answer.
Question 2. We blank at the cafe after work yesterday.
Question 3. Don't blank your homework until tomorrow.
Question 4. She blank her old friends at the party.
Question 5. I blank to seeing you next week.
Question 6. The plane will blank in 10 minutes.
Question 7. He blank after the bad news.
Question 8. Let's blank a time to meet.
Question 9. I always blank my mom and personality.
Question 10. Keep blank the good work.
Pause the episode, answer all 10, then check the comments. You'll pin the correct answers.
If you got 8 or more right, you're already using them naturally.
If this episode helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who struggles with phrasal verbs.
Next week, we're doing Conversation Flow Part 2, even more ways to keep talks alive.
You're going to love it.
And remember, don't give up on phrasal verbs. Pick them up every day. Look them up in real conversations. You'll figure them out fast.
Keep up the practice.
See you next time. Bye, everyone.
Woo!